How do you make a girl want you so badly that she wants a relationship with you? Most guys go about making a girl chase them wrongly. The idea isn't to get a girl to chase you by ignoring her. That's not just unhealthy, it's unsustainable. What you want to do is create a healthy desire. You want to make yourself stand out in such a way that she will see you as someone she wants to be with. If you can do this, then a girl will chase you, about making a woman a slave to your seduction. You want to create a relationship dynamic where you make a girl you already desire want you back with the same intensity. That said, here are practical things you can do to make a girl chase you. The first step: interested but not desperate. Most guys believe that ignoring the girl they like will get her to chase them, but in reality, it's not that simple. If the girl you like is attractive, chances are she won't even remember you exist if you don't show any form of interest. Here's the thing: as studies in psychology have confirmed, we like those who like us already, and we do this for several reasons. First of all, when a girl is sure you already like her, it removes the anxiety that comes with social rejection. It's much easier and safer to get close to someone you already know is attracted to you. We like order and hate chaos, and someone who already likes us represents order in the world of social interaction. So ignoring a girl you like is a bad idea. What you want to do is show interest in a masculine way. What does this mean? Attract a girl through your character, not by chasing her and begging her to be with you. There's a big difference between the two, but most people easily get it mixed up. Show her that you care about her and make her know that you're the type of man she wants to be with. And do this without forcing or pushing her to like you. Let the desire naturally build up in her. And the second step: show her how you stand out. A high-quality woman is looking for a high-value man. Here's the thing, guys. Most men are lazy about relationships. Often, they either don't know what it takes. Sometimes they are just too used to playing mind games that they can't fully commit to a relationship. High-quality women can sense these sorts of men from afar, and they stay away from them. If you want to get a woman to chase you, you need to show her how you stand out from the majority of guys out there. Show her that you're not scared of commitment. The thing is, biologically, a lot more is at stake for a woman going in a relationship. First, there's the risk of getting pregnant and carrying a child for 9 months. There's also the risk of having complications during childbirth, not to mention the responsibility of taking care of a baby. Women are wired to chase a man who is more likely to stick to them in the long run. These are men who have themselves together, men who are not afraid of commitment and responsibility. This is a high-value man. The bottom line: no woman will chase you if she doesn't see high value in you. Final thoughts. The one thing that will guarantee a girl will not chase you is when you're desperate and needy. Most guys look for mind games when they're searching for how to make a girl chase them. But looking for mind games is another form of desperation. Here's a simple truth. The guys who succeed in getting girls to chase them don't do it because they are masters at playing psychological games. They can do it simply because they know their worth. People tend to see you through your own eyes. If you behave like you're the prize, that you're not willing to sacrifice your value, pride, and dignity to please anyone, girls will see your authenticity and respect you for it. That's all for today, guys. I will meet you with next valuable videos. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.